right now the cross is the focus, so I show you. Did you see the cross? 我们看不到十字架。你先别按，先别按。十字架呢？ Yeah, did you see the cross of the center under the microscope? Press the switch. Yes. So right now we can move the focus of cross. 把它调偏。 This button adjusts the cross. How? Yeah.
是调上下的。
This up and down of a cross. This one adjusts the left and the right. This one button adjusts the up and down. So right now, the focus, the cross is not the center. Yeah, the cross is not center.
在这下面这边，你手机往下拉一点，看不到。
Right now we can train you how to adjust. Okay. You can see the cross where it moves, so you can adjust correct direction. My engineer finished adjust the cross, so you can see again.
下面这个是这样，
照不下来，看。
没放好位置。哦，这点在这里。这样。
So the cross is center again.